Welcome home, friend. Step into one of my favorite communities, Heritage, nestled in the heart of North Fort Worth. This home is truly stunning, boasting a fresh remodel, offering you a turnkey property ready to be cherished. This charming two-story home features 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square feet of living space. Continuing through the home, you'll discover a grand fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling stone feature, creating a captivating living space. The kitchen is a culinary delight with freshly painted white cabinets, a built-in oven, drop-in cooktop, breakfast nook, and a butler's pantry, providing added counter space for your family gatherings. As you enter, tall ceilings greet you in the foyer, leading you to a formal dining space, powder bath, and a front bedroom with a large closet perfect for use as an office as well. Towards the back of the home lies your sanctuary, a private owner suite with ample natural light, a private bath, and a huge walk-in closet. Upstairs, a spacious loft awaits along with 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. During the summer, entertain in style under your covered back patio or relax with the kids just a few blocks away at the community splash pad, or indulge in Heritage's renowned water park and amenity center. This community offers year-round fun. Located in the highly coveted Keller ISD, this home is zoned for Lone Star Elementary School, Hillwood Middle School, and Central High School. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity, so call us today to schedule an appointment and experience this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.